Hello folks. So I decided to put some comments in English so that my English speaking audience can understand what I'm doing here. So this is a 2000 frame Sportster EVO which I'm planning to extend and planning to make a long Springer fork myself. It's kind of lot of information on internet and YouTube about all kind of Sportster choppers, but when I start digging into the deeper information, it's so difficult to get, especially information to get difficult how to make this dropped seat with the swing arm modification from a Sportster frame. So what I found from Crib's motorcycle, he's not commenting anything, but that's what I found from his pictures, that he actually cut everything here, and from here he will build bars going directly to the, my English is so bad, to the pipe tube which comes directly to the neck. So actually here is the main strength point here. This pipe originally which goes to the neck disappears, and he's just welding some kind of platform, connect here, maybe put some few plates in between to support and connect these two bars here. And then I found that he puts a battery, makes some bracket and puts a battery here. This is what I found from him. So I cut it this way because I didn't like the thickness of these tubes. For me they look like ugly, too fat, too thick. So I'm gonna maybe even cut even down. They are 32 millimeters in diameter. I'm gonna cut it here maybe where the engine bracket is, and then I will make a thinner tube to the neck. I bought like 27 millimeters, so it's like 5 millimeters smaller diameter. But on the other hand, it's almost 5 millimeters, 4.5 millimeters thick in the wall thick. So I think it's enough. It's a seamless tube, 27 by 4.5 millimeters thick. So I think that's it's enough to support with both the rear and the front frame sections. And then as a main, I will use this 38 millimeters, which is 4, I think, millimeters thick, or 4.5 also. 30. Originally it's like 42 millimeters, but I choose to get to more narrow because I would like to have narrow view. And just in case, I bought also like 32 millimeters, like original size, just in case if something goes bananas with this. If I just by accident ruin this piece of metal, so, or make it bad bend, I can maybe use this one. I don't know, I'm not sure about it. We have very bad supply of pipes in Lithuania here. I mean, lots of pipes for water and gas, but when you're looking for a thicker, mild steel, it's difficult. And nobody wants to cut in 2 meters. They want to buy 6 meters length, which actually I don't need so much. Okay, I'm going back now to the extended fork, swing arm. On the internet I see that they do it like 4-inch, like 10 centimeters, but I think it's a bit too much, and I think I will go to the 7.5 centimeter, like 3-inch. How did I do it? Again, no information, just from the pictures. Like I just cut it in pieces and just made bloody hell, with one hand is difficult. made these kind of bars together so that they fit about 2 centimeters in. And also here I had to take some material away, simply because this side of the swing arm has a squeezed part. I think it's for a belt sprocket, so that has more room, you know. So it creates a bit of a nasty shape, but I managed to shape it in and to put it. I think it will be enough support, so I will do it like this. Here was more easy. I choose to cut in this section simply because it starts straight here, so it's easy for me that put 2 centimeters here, 2 centimeters here, and then I have enough support. Later on I will weld around with like 3 millimeters thick plate, and here I will put extend this support bracket by maybe 5 millimeters or 6 millimeters steel. So this is my fork, and more or less it's finished. I just gonna this stick together for time being, not weld, complete weld, just to have it ready, put all together, and then I will weld later on, complete the welding. And now today I'm gonna build because I want to have my frame straight and very stable in this jig, if I can call it. I have to put this axle. I have to connect it somehow to the jig so it stables and right in place. So today I'm gonna cut some frame support and make a new axle to go through it, and just I will weld it in place, and I will leave here about 14 centimeters. So the clearance will be 14 centimeters. I think 14 centimeters is 5.5 inch, and then suspension will go down. I guess it will go to the 5 inch. So it's will be about 12 centimeters clearance. That's, I think, enough for me. Somebody can say it's on the high side, but since my chopper will be long, I don't want to go to very small clearance because it's gonna be long bike. So not so much information, precise information what I'm looking, so everything has to be found out during the manufacture. That's the price of the game. Thank you everybody, and till next time.